See, the topic is generating tree from traversals. So already we have learned that any two traversals are compulsory. Out of that, one of the traversal must be in order. So I have a pre-order and in order. And one more possible is post-order and in order. Let us learn how to generate tree from pre-order and in order. So I'll show you the procedure. Create a node. Take all the elements of in order. Take in order as it is in a node. Don't change the order. Write the elements in the same order. 7, 6, 9, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2, 1. As it is I have taken. This is initial work. Now, repeating procedure. Means the steps will be repeating. What to do? Scan through pre-order. Scan through pre-order by taking one element at a time. Then what to do with each element? Let us see. First step I am showing you. Take the first element from left to right, right? So first element is 4. So 4 is root. So you remember what will be the first element in pre-order? Root of a tree. So 4 is the root of a tree. So search for 4. Search, it is found. Observe once again. Search for 4 in this list of elements. Yes, it is found here. So take 4 in one node. This is root. Then what about the rest of the elements? 7, 6, 9, 3 on the left hand side of 4. 7, 6, 9, 3 on the left hand side. And these elements on the right hand side. 5, 8, 2, 1. So 5, 8, 2, 1 on the right hand side. Yes, we got first node, that is first root node. If I tell you the step once again, first element, search, then split. Move to the next element, 7. Search for 7, then 7, where it will be, on the left hand side or right hand side? See, as per pre-order, will be going on left hand side. If it is not found, then we'll go on right side. So search in left hand side. Yes, 7 is found. 7 is found. Then split. 4 was already there. Then left hand side, left child is 7. Now other elements 6, 9, 3, all of them are on the right hand side of 7. So okay, take them on in a single node on the right hand side of 7. This part is as it is. So searching and splitting. Now let me do the rest of the nodes quickly. Next element 9. Search. It is found either in this list or this list. This list found. Split. So here I will draw 4 on this side, then 7 on the left hand side, then 9 is on the right hand side of 7. Then what about the remaining elements 6 and 3? They are on the different sides of 9. So left hand side take 6, right hand side take 3. Yes, 6 on this side, 3 on this side. This is completed. Then right hand side elements are as it is, 5, 8, 2, 1. 5, 8, 2, 1. Then move to the next element, 6. Search, it is found here. And that's a single element. Yes, we want single element only. So it's perfect, don't do anything. Next, 3. 3, search for 3, it is found here. And it's a single element. Don't do anything. Next element, 2. Search, it is found here. Found here. So there are more than one element. So split. So I will draw here. So this side is already completed. So I will take it as it is. And here new root is 2. 2. So 5 and 8 on the left hand side. 5 and 8. On the right hand side 1. Yes. Next move on to the next element. That is 5. Search for 5. It is found here. Yes, 2 elements are there. So split. I will draw it here. So 4. So this left hand side is as it is. Right hand side 2 and 1 as it is. Then this node I have to take 5. Okay, take 5. What about 8? Where it should be? It is on the right hand side in a node. So it will go on the right hand side only. So this is on the right hand side. Continue. 8. Search for 8. Single element. Don't do anything. Move next. 1. Search for 1. Found. Single element. That's all. This is a tree. This is a unique tree. Just one single tree. For this tree, this is the pre-order and this is the in-order. There is no other tree possible which gives same pre-order and in-order. So this is a unique tree. So we are able to generate a unique tree if pre-order and in-order is given, and this is the procedure. See, this was the first step, and in the second step we have taken 4, and the third step we have split it 7, because we were moving along from left hand side to right hand side. We were scanning pre-order from left to right. Then fourth step we have taken 9, so automatically got 6 and 3 also, so this also completed. Then next, here we selected 2, this was 4th, 5th, 6th, then this is 7th step I should say. So in this step 2 was splitted, then 8th step in this 5 was splitted, so even 8 was also splitted. We got a tree. This is the procedure. Now analysis, what is the time complexity? How much time it is taking? So actually we have done board work. We have not written any code or the pseudocode or algorithm. Just based on the procedure only we have to give the time. So what was the work done? We have scanned through pre-order. All the elements we have scanned through them once. So this is n. Yes. But while scanning for every element, what we were doing? Searching for that element here to make it as root or make it as a new node. So we were searching for the element every time. So for every element we were searching. So searching takes how much time? N time. So how many times we have searched? For every element we have searched. So n into n, right? Searching is taking n times, right? Search takes n time. And how many times we have done? For n elements we have done. So there are n elements. So n element search for n times. So this is n square. So the time taken by this procedure is n square. So that's all about this procedure. So generating a tree from traversals is very important. I will show you the program for this one.